Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter, known as X account. So what you have to do is for you to go over to your profile. Let me go over to the profile icon and you're going to see setting and support, and you're going to see that arrow there. So let me tap it, and the next step for you to take for you to go over to setting and privacy. And over to setting and privacy, you have to go over to your account, and you're going to see account information, change your password, and at the last side you're going to see the activate your account. So let me go over to it. What you need to know here is that you can, after you're done deactivating your account, you don't have to log in for the next 30 days. You log in back to your account the next 30 days, that is, your account will not be deleted. So what you have to do is for you not to log in on X for the next 30 days. You not doing that, your Twitter account is going to be deactivated, is going to be deleted forever. So let me go over to deactivate, and you're going to enter in your passwords which you use from the account. They say complete your deactivation request by entering the password associated with your account. So you just have to go over to it, and when you are done with that, you can go over to deactivate, and they're going to ask you deactivate your account will be deactivated. So you just have to go over to it. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.